and clear my mind, right? And guys, as a trader, it's important to enjoy your profits. Never be scared to save your profits. I'm not saying finish all your money, but save and not save, right? Some people are drawing now on my screen. Spoil yourselves, guys, and remember your mental health comes first, right? So first things first, yeah, guys, just wanted to take that time to apologize. I'm not good when it comes to these formal things, guys. So yeah, but I'm sure you guys understand. But I do apologize for the inconvenience. But let's get back to winning, guys. You know, you don't really have to trade every day. I felt like this week, I felt like the past week really wasn't my week. I could feel it emotionally, and yeah, your gut feeling never lies, guys. So I was like, nah, let me just take a break, you know. So let's get straight into it, guys. I need you guys to watch all the Zoom sessions from the beginning, and yeah, same old, same old. Today we're going to be analyzing. We're going to be analyzing. We're going to be straight into the charts. We're getting straight into the charts. I noticed that you guys like it when you see yourselves in the saved clip, so I just enabled it there. You'll see after what I mean. Okay, sure. Let's start with NASDAQ, guys. Same old analysis, guys. You know, we have this channel on NASDAQ, guys. Right, channel connecting my highs and my lows. Sharp. Let me just reset this thing and zoom out 4 times. 4. Okay, let me go in. So you can see I've drawn in the trend line, I've drawn in the channel, and we can pretty much see that NASDAQ is ranging between between this channel. NASDAQ is moving in this channel. Sorry about that. NASDAQ is moving in this channel, guys. So you can pretty much see that right now NASDAQ respects our upward trend line, right? So overall picture, we are expecting NAS to push all the way up to the parallel trend line, right? However, there will be short-term retracements, short-term sells, but the overall image, the overall picture is buys, guys. You know, when we want to hold those buys, you can pretty much see now that NASDAQ is pretty much retracing. Every time NASDAQ retraces, guys, it's retracing to an entry point, right? So now we're on H4. What can you do on H4? I always try connecting trend lines, right? So there we go. I have my diamond trend line, but however, I am going to delete this trend line because it is current. It's not relevant. It's far from current market price. You can see current market prices over here. The trend lines there. You know, let's just delete it for now. This is how you keep your chart clean, guys. Right. So now let's zoom in a bit to current market price. You can pretty much see that we did have this downward trend line over here that was broken. That's just drawing it in so that we understand structure, right? So next thing, you can pretty much see that we have some sort of resistance over here. Let me just draw it in properly. Okay, sharp, right? So also that there's not really much I can draw, right? Not really much I can plot or analyze. Actually, there is. My mistake. I can connect. I can draw in this zone. So already from the bigger time frame, we already have our structure. You can pretty much, let me put my phone on silent, sorry guys. So you can pretty much see that we have our structure, guys. This is the importance of starting your analysis on the bigger time frame, right? Let me just explain this. So you can see that right here, we have a left shoulder, we have a head. What are we expecting here? We're expecting a right shoulder. So this is an inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish reversal pattern, right? So just from H4, like guys, it's how do I say this without excitement? Like guys, simplicity is key, right? Start on your daily time frame, go down to 4 hour, you know, draw in those trend lines, draw in those support zones. Trust me, guys, like it's not that complicated. So I'm seeing a simple inverse head and shoulders pattern there that could be forming. Possible inverse head and shoulders that could be forming, right? Let me just put my phone on do not disturb because that's what's actually disturbing me right now. Right, it's possible inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So expecting NASDAQ carry on retracing down to this zone and then shoot all the way up, right? So we must wait for buys. Let me just, give me 1 minute to just delete all this, guys. Please just excuse me. Delete this. Okay. Everything is all Gucci. Sorry about that. Okay, let me just. So yeah, guys, as I said, remember on the 4-hour time frame, this is the left shoulder, this is our head. So what are we anticipating? We're waiting for our right shoulder to form over here. We're waiting for our right shoulder to form right over there. Right. So right now, I don't like it when that zone is like that. Hold on, guys. 1 second. Hey, one thing about me, I like my charts to be clean. So let me just draw this in properly. There we go. Okay. So yeah, this is the touch on the trend line, right? That pushed NAS all the way up, right? So you can see that it is that NAS rejected off this high over here, forming a double top pattern, short-term sells, came back with triple top, shut down. Right now, you can see that NAS is approaching a very, very strong zone, a zone of a lot of power, right? You can see that we have first top, second top, first bottom, second bottom, double bottom pattern. You can see NAS supported, right? This is like a fake out. This is a very confusing move, fake out, you can see broke out. Eventually the fake out, eventually broke out. This kind of stick as a breakout candle, retested, right? Would have entered sells on the retest, came back to the zone, would have anticipated a double top, first top, second top, but we did not get that. Right, so you can pretty much see that NAS has been playing around this zone, faking out, respecting, faking out. See this trend line, I just drew that in to understand markets, market structure. This thing is like, I'm sure a lot of you guys have done your license. You must be able to explain a car, like the parts of a car, like, okay, your bumper's intact, all that stuff. You know what I mean? I know it's off topic, but it's just an example, guys. Market structure must be able to read the market and explain each movement, right? So you can pretty much see that this was our last touch on the zone. Well, this is the last time, this move right here is when last, how do I say this in English? This is the last time the market respected this zone, right? So we're waiting for a simple breakout. So you can see breakouts, right? We've got a breakout. After a breakout, we anticipate a retest, right? So I am waiting for NAS to drop down, retest the zone, which will be this previous high, and then shoot up. So this is actually a very, very quite powerful setup because for number one, inverse head and shoulders it's an inverse head and shoulders pattern in the formation on H4. And the number one, and on H1, sorry, we are anticipating a retest of this previous high, right? So that's my analysis on NASDAQ, right? So let me just be more accurate and neat. We'll be more accurate and neat. Let me just draw in this. Let me draw this in. All right, and obviously my target will be this zone over here. Let me just zoom it in a bit. My target will be this zone over here. Right? So that's NAS, guys. I'm looking at the chats. What do you guys think of that setup? Do you guys understand? Let me know what you think of that setup and how you found that. Did you understand? The chart's clear. Let me guess Gonka. Hey, I don't even know what that is. But yeah, let me know. Leave a review in the chat quick. So we can move on to the next. Understood. Proper simplicity is key, guys. So right now, like when market opens, I'm not going to execute any trades. I'm not executing trades until NASDAQ approaches and respects this level. That's how I also analyze NAS. Yeah, guys, simplicity is key. If NAS doesn't respect the setup, excuse me, if NAS doesn't expect if that doesn't respect the setup, then we can't really blame ourselves. Guys, the market won't respect every single setup, Like, so don't kick yourself in the foot. I have a lot of setups that I analyze and I wait for that setup to play out, but it just the market goes against it. Like it's normal, So I don't want you guys to be like, maybe I did something wrong. Nah, guys, like it's normal. When your setup doesn't go your way, it's normal. Right. So remember that most of the time it's the simple setups that pay, right? Yeah, we can identify it as a continuation pattern. If you deepen the Falcon, books, you can draw it in like that. Not here because it's not really. You can also draw it in here. It's continuation pattern. However, this time we can actually expect market price to just fake out of this trend line to go back up. But that's deep in the Falcon. This is just pure price action. Which time frame do I place a trade? Guys, just wait for the H1 candlestick to close or H4. I like the H4 candlestick closure. So yeah, loud and clear. Simplicity is key. Let me just do USD JPY quick because this is a nice, simple setup. Right, guys. Remember, there's two parts of trading. There's analyzing and there's execution. Analyzing, execution. Analyzing and execution. We just did analyzing right now. I can analyze. Everyone can analyze like this, but only a few will be able to execute. That's because some people over leverage, some people enter too soon. Guys, trust me, the key to execution is literally patience and confidence, guys. Be patient, wait for that reversal candlestick, and you'll be fine. Literally, if you have 1,000 Rand account, don't open more than 2 positions on NAS. Either way, like in terms of risk management, guys, either way, you can blow the 2K accounts with 1 position. It just goes down to your appetite and how not your appetite, sorry, your confidence and your emotions, right? But just use risk management. Don't be too greedy, and yeah, because you can't be like, no, you must only open 1 position, because like, guys, risk to reward, man. You must be okay with losing that 2K. You must be okay with losing that 2K. But yeah, I'm going off topic. I'll cover that in another session. Right, this is USD JPY, guys. So currencies are actually like going on the weekly time frame, right? So let me I like weekly time frame. I zoom out 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 3. Right. The reason why I do this, okay. Let me get comfortable to explain this one. So if I have 500 in the accounts, I should open only 1 trade on NAS. Hey, see, that's the thing. 500 in accounts, guys. I like try to save up, because sometimes you can hold a single position until it goes into minus 600, then it goes into your direction, then you go into profits, So just try to avoid trading small accounts if you're not experienced. Even me, I don't trade small accounts. I'm sure none of you guys have seen me fund like 1.5. I always fund 2K, 3K. And I know I'm fine. I open 5 positions. I know I'm fine with losing that money, So let me get into USD JPY, guys. USD JPY, you can pretty much see that we have this zone of resistance. Let me zoom in. Sorry. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, there we go. You can see that we have this zone over here. So you can see we have a first touch, second touch, and we're right now getting a third touch of this zone. In other words, if we're speaking price action language, first bottom, first top, second top, double top pattern. Right after the double top pattern, you can see USD JPY melted down. Right now we're on the third top. Right. So already, just from the bigger time frame, we can already anticipate a reversal and the trade. We just need to wait for proper confirmation. Right, let me go down to daily. So on weekly, we know that we have that zone. Sharp. Let me just zoom out. See it all before. Right. Clear structure, clear zone, right? Now, this is where most people get it wrong in terms of executing, guys. Many people will be like, okay, it's such a, let me enter now. Nah, you must relax. You must be patient. You must be patient, right? But let's go deeper with our analysis. Let me draw in our trend lines. So we can see 1, 2. So here it is. Yes, USD is sitting on the zone, but it hasn't touched our trend line, right? Many people have the direction right, but many people have the entry wrong. We simply just need to wait for USD to touch the trend line, then drop, right? And we can only get a proper wick. Sorry about that. We'll only get like proper reversal of the trend line, guys. USD could still move deep into the zone. Let me screenshot this thing. USD can still move deep into the zone. You can see there's a lot of space, guys. USD can still even like move all the way up to here and then wick, close with the spike, you know? So don't rush into trades. Okay, let me go to H4. H4, guys, remember I have that trend line. Here's the first touch, second touch. Guys, waiting for the third touch. Like, keep it simple. Waiting for the third touch, because in all honesty, what else is there to it? You know, what else is there to it? Wait for the third touch of the trend line, right? Let me see if I can connect an upward trend line. Yeah, but let me see. Yeah, just put this one steep. But guys, you can pretty much see it's clear. It's simple. Wait for third touch, first touch, second touch. Now you just need to wait for the third touch, guys. Third touch and a reversal candlestick, such as a doji, something like that. Let me just. I'm getting everything I prayed for. Okay, right. So maybe you could get a touch around there. It's down to this low over here. If you want to go deeper, right? Then we can. Anticipate a double bottom pattern over here. Simple market structure, but let me not go deep into that because it's going to sound like I'm predicting the markets. It's like I'm predicting. So yeah. So if the next candlestick closes below the trend line, we anticipate something. It depends on how it closes. Depends if it closes with bearish, with signs of bearish momentum, signs of any bearish movements, you know. So we just need to wait, guys. Like I'm going to provide more updates on this one, but we just need to wait for the market to play out, guys. But honestly speaking, I don't see a reason to sell now. Yes, we're sitting on the trend line. Yes, we're sitting on the resistance zone, but no reversal candlestick. No, it hasn't touched the trend line, you know. So it's not my trade. I'm not comfortable. I'm going to wait until I'm 100% sure, you know. Even if the setup doesn't play out, I'll be chilled. You know, I know that, okay, I didn't really lose anything, you know. It's one of those trades that just went against me, you know. So that's USD guys. You just need to be patient for this one. And to simplify it, let's wait for market price to touch the trend line. How'd you guys find that? Leave that in the comments. Before I move on to the next one, what you guys think about that? Before I move on to the next. Come on, phone. Clean setup, shout outs. Okay, let's look at USDT. I don't want to start USDT from the beginning because this one drains energy. Let's wait for the retest then before we enter ourselves. Yes, simple. You find many people get the direction wrong. You find many people get the direction right, but they make a loss because they got the execution wrong. Yes, this is a lot. Yeah, bro. But guys, I'm not gonna like explain this one step by step. I'm just strictly gonna analyze, guys. So you can see that you guys know that we always aim to draw in our trend lines. So 1, 2, 2 over there, right? So that would have been our second touch. Then we extend it for a third, like that. You can pretty much see that this is the daily time frame. So on Friday, no, Thursday, US30 started to reject this trend line and this possible high over here. So this is possibly like a double top type of pattern. Let's go down to H4 to see things clearer. This is choppy, too choppy, right? You can see that eye, this one, it's choppy, guys. We just try drawing our trend line correctly. So first touch, second touch, third touch of the trend line, right? We did anticipate fourth touch, but you can see that US30 actually faked out. How can I tell it's a fake out? Is because there are following candles close below the trend line. Closed. We can't see. Hey, can you guys see? Somebody's saying they can't see. Can you guys see the charts? Yes. Oh, okay. Yo, you guys type so fast. Okay. I can clearly see it. Okay, guys. As I was saying, first touch, second touch. Wait, I want to try use like 1 second so that everybody understands. Yeah, I want to start doing this thing. So you can see first touch, second touch over there. We've got a third touch over here, right? So 3 touches make the trend line valid. We enter our trades. We execute trades on the third touch, right? So as you can see right now, we were waiting for a 4th touch right over here. However, you can see that we didn't necessarily, the Gucci vibes. Okay, hey, looking at the chat is disturbing. Let me explain this movement over here. All right, so a lot of people were waiting for US30 to touch the trend line, right? And then they entered sells. Those are just waiting for a touch, or burns, because you can see that US30 actually ended up shooting up, US30, the reason why it shot up, this is just a simple like trap to take out the small accounts and those impatient traders, because you can see that the following next 2 candles actually closed below the trend line, right? So we can anticipate sells on US30. And these type of setups, so you guys notice how the market moves after a fake out. The market moves fast like no one's business, right? So you can pretty much see that the whole of last week, US30 was actually pretty much ranging. But overall goal, guys, we're waiting for this thing to drop all the way down here. Right, so let me just go down to H1. Evening star. Yeah, it's like an evening star type of doji thingy, you know what I mean? Evening star. We got okay. H1. There we go. Right? So if we look at H1, now I don't want to delete this, but let me keep it in so I don't confuse you guys. You can pretty much, it looks like I'll have to delete it. So you guys do know that we're currently sitting on the downward trend line, right? So let me just get rid of that. Let's draw in our 1 hour trend line. A little pattern type of thing, right? There we go. You can see that US30 respected the daily trend line and our H4 trend line. This is structure within structure, So yes, US30 is on a drop, guys. But I don't want to sell it when market opens. I don't like trading on Mondays. This type of setup, unless you eager and you like taking risks, then you are welcome. But I won't send the setup in the group because trading midnight, there's a lot of manipulation, stuff like that. So wait for the market to calm down, right? But let's carry on analyzing US30. So we had that downward trend line over here. Next, let's see if we can draw an upward trend line. Yes, we can. but you can see the current market price is extremely far from this trend line. So we delete it for the sake of keeping our analysis clean. So now let me draw. I crossed out the wrong thing. Next thing, let's draw in our zones. Now we're talking. Right, so you can see wait for the market to come down. Yeah, wait for the market to come down. If you come to the market in a rush, it will sanitize you. Okay, I had this drawn up. Yeah. So guys, you can see that we have this zone of resistance over here, right? And then we have this zone of resistance, right? But you can see that the market USDT actually broke above the zone. So simple, waiting for a retest of this zone over here. But you can see that it's still kind of far, but I'm just telling you guys this now, just sharing it now. So in terms of USDT, that is the setup. Right, however, I'll be more comfortable with taking this trade over here. I'm trying to draw this in. Must get a mouse. I'll be more comfortable taking this trade over here. So I'm simply just going to wait for this sell to finish, right? And I'm going to wait for this buy. Do you guys understand? Do you guys get that? So I said USDT. USDT gold, okay. Hey, gold is a tough one, We did kill it. We did milk it on Monday. We milked gold on Monday, guys. So as you can see, gold, this is 4 hour. We just go down to, let me go to the daily. Remember, guys, same analysis as always. Same analysis as always, guys. You can pretty much see that you're the daily candle close with your USD. Okay, I'll do your USD. But last time I checked, it's buying, but I'll do it right after gold. Okay, let me quickly do gold. You can pretty much see that. Okay. First top, and the second top, double top pattern. We have a double top pattern, right? Let's go down to 4 hour. Yeah, you can pretty much see that the double top actually played out. Yeah, this thing's dope. Let's use it more. Right? Played out. Right? So you can see we have like an inverse head. We have like an inverse head and shoulders type of pattern. You can see this is our head, left shoulder, right? So let me just draw this in. You can see we have like some sort of inverse head and shoulders, but it's choppy, right? It's choppy. We go down to H1. But nah, it's relevant, but I'll do it, like this proper actually. Because you can see 1, 2, touch there, minor fake outs for the upward trend line, 1, 2, 3, But to keep things simple, guys, I'll simply keep it like this. Let me see. I don't like making thick boxes like this, but let me see. Yeah, we can actually say this is something like this. We have this huge zone over here, right? So simply, you can see 1, 2, 3, triple bottom. That's why gold shot all the way up. Right, this is the 1 hour time frame. But due to the double top pattern, I'm expecting gold to come back all the way down to the zone over here. Right? But if you look closer, you can see that we do have lower lows here where we can connect the trend line. So first touch, me see. You can see you have a first touch, second there, and the third. Here we got many touches, even a fourth, but you can see the fourth touch in gold is now playing around. It's pretty much consolidating, right? It's pretty much consolidating. So setups like these are usually just wait for proper confirmation. Okay, yeah, 1, 2. If looking, yeah, in terms of keeping, yeah, gold is actually gonna buy. But I'm not too happy with these candlesticks. I like a clear doji, or clear bullish engulfing candle. Now it's just a wick-ish. So let's just wait for more confirmation. Let's wait maybe for bullish engulfing pattern. Not bullish engulfing pattern, bullish engulfing candlestick. Okay, running out of time. Let me analyze. Excuse me, US 30. German 30 is still doing German 30, same setup as no, it's not. But pretty much, guys, let me just briefly go through this one because we're running out of time. You can pretty much see that we do have breakouts and retest, meaning that you can see that German 30 supported the zone over here. Support, breakouts, retest, coming back for retest again, right? And it is sitting on the downward trend line. First touch, second touch. And third touch. Let me I just remembered, guys, take a screenshot of this Zoom session, right? And because I've been thinking of ways to like interact with my clients and everything. Take a screenshot. You can even take a screenshot now and tag me on Instagram and I'll spam your profile. So yeah, you can take a screenshot, type something like a review or something on Insta or something, and I'll just spam your profile. I just remember that now. But you can see that supported, broke out, retested. Downward trend line is also respected. Clear sell. Clear sell on German 30. But it is too far, like it's too deep. Unless we get another retracement. But waiting for German 30 to drop all the way down to the zone. A lot of setups, you're catching them in the early phases. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for German 30 to retrace, guys, back to the zone of the trend line because you can see that it's too far down. It's already moved down. Right? So German 30, wait for it to retrace to the zone. Right. So you'll probably see proper movements around Monday. Right. I'm sure you guys have noticed that Monday afternoon, see proper movements on Monday afternoon. That's when the markets are less manipulative. That's when the manipulation has slowed down in the markets. And then, yeah, please don't forget your USD. Ish thing is running out of time on this thing. So I think your USD. This thing is running ish. Let me notice now. So as I was saying, most like Mondays, I'm more comfortable trading on Mondays because there's too much manipulation. I'm sure you guys have noticed I start sending out trades on Tuesday. Euro USD, let's see. Okay, connect these lows. Now Euro USD is a buy. We've got this candlestick here. Nice rejection, this candle. Yeah, Euro USD is a buy. And this is currencies, guys. You can even enter now. Let me see. Right? Draw this down the trend line. And we have some sort of expanding channel. You can see like it's opening up. Right? So yeah, Euro USD. Let me just go down to H4 and see how the H4 candles. Yeah, Euro USD is actually proper, guys. You can see that we had like some sort of a double bottom pattern over here. right? So let me draw my downward trend line on H1. Hey, but this one's steep. Hold on, I drew the wrong thing. 1, 2. Okay, it's still far. Let me try go a bit deeper. 1, 2. Yeah. Euro USD is actually valid for buys right now. You can see we got a breakout and there we go. Because you can see that this H1 candle, this H4 candlestick closed above the trend line. We was indicating sells, but yeah, Euro USD is a buy, guys. Clear breakouts and retest. Euro USD is valid for buys right now. So that's Euro USD. Yeah, it's a buy. It's a buy. Look, also looking from the daily time frame, guys. Looking from the daily, it's a buy. H42, because the H4 candlestick closed above, but then our confirmation is on H1 breakouts. Here's our retest over here. Might be a bit choppy, but if you know more, there we go. Clean retest. So yeah, you can wait until 1 to open this, execute this trade. So yeah, guys, remember to take that screenshots. I actually like the gym and dirty analysis. Take the screenshots, tag on Instagram, and I'll even comment on some of your pictures, reply to your DMs, and then yeah, if it was a lit session, say lit session and tag. If it was a poor session, tell me it was a poor session and tag. I don't take offense. I know I'm not perfect. I make mistakes like other humans, you know. So yeah. So that was today's Zoom session, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me just save the recording and then let me